Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Here are 10 common mistakes while learning English. English has many words with silent letters, such as the K in no or knife. Learners sometimes pronounce these letters, leading to miscommunication. Understanding which letters are silent in English words take practice and exposure. Number two, translating directly from native language. English has different sentence structure and idioms compared to other languages. Direct translation often results in awkward or incorrect sentences. For example, in English, the adjective comes before the noun, such as example blue car, but in some languages this order is reversed. Misusing prepositions. Prepositions, for example, in, on, at, are tricky. Learners often use the wrong preposition, like saying, I'm good in English, instead of, I'm good at English. Preposition use varies widely between languages, so it's important to learn how they work in specific context. Incorrect verb tenses. Many learners struggle with English verb tenses. They may mix up past and present or use the wrong tense altogether. For example, saying I am going yesterday is incorrect because am going is present tense while yesterday refers to the past. Overuse of simple present tense. Some learners overuse the simple present tense because it's easier to grasp. They may say, I worked there last year, instead of using the past tense worked. This mistake leads to confusion about when action occurred. Similarly, confusing adjectives and adverbs. Learner often mix up adjectives and adverbs using one in place of the other. For example, she runs quick. Should be she runs quickly because quick is an adjective and quickly is the adverb that modifies the verb runs. That will makes the sense of the sentence. Then comes subject verb agreement errors. Learners often struggle with the subject verb agreement, especially when the subject is regular or plural. For instance, he go to school should be he goes to school because he is singular, requiring the verb to have an s in the present tense. Then comes using much instead of many. Much is used for uncountable nouns like water and many for countable nouns like books. A common mistake is saying I have much books instead of I have many books. Understanding countable and uncountable nouns help correct this. Confusing homophones. Words that sound the same but have different meanings and spellings like there, and there often confuse learners. These homophones are used in different contexts and mixing them up can lead to misunderstanding. Then comes omitting articles, a and the. Many learners omit articles or use them incorrectly. For example, saying I have car instead of I have a car. In English, articles are necessary to indicate whether we are talking about something specific or general. Proper articles used is crucial for clarity.